like owning a cash-generating machine. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategy used by successful entrepreneurs globally. You too can adopt this approach. Introducing Dr. Samuel, a seasoned passive income expert. His in-depth understanding of the topic has enabled numerous individuals to explore the potential of passive income. Today he's here to share his expertise, clarify the concept of passive income, and guide us towards financial freedom. Remember, passive income isn't a miracle cure. It won't make you instantly rich. It's a tool, a strategy for diversifying your income and improving your financial health. If you're prepared to delve into the world of passive income, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we explore this intriguing topic under the guidance of Dr. Samuel. Now we dive into the specifics of passive income streams guided by Dr. Samuel's expertise. Passive income streams might seem like a dream, but it's a reality for many, right Samuel? So, what are these streams? Think of it as a river of money that keeps flowing. It's income that requires minimal effort to maintain. But it's not about getting rich quick, or doing nothing. It's about investing your time and money upfront to establish an income source that pays you back over time. It's about creating assets that yield income for you.